What's going on, everybody? We are at the boat ramp and we're about to unload. Oh, geez. Hey, what's going on, everybody? So today we are at the boat ramp and we're actually going to go ahead and unload our kayak here from the boat ramp. And I had a request to go ahead and do this video. Now, first thing I do want to say is, number one, make sure you are parking. You're not unloading at the actual ramp. As you can see, we are in the parking lot here of the boat ramp area. So you want to make sure that you actually get parked and then prep all your equipment, gear, everything you need to do in the parking lot area before you actually hit the boat ramp. And there's two ways that you can go about this. Once you're done prepping your stuff, you can either, one, pull back up, unload your kayak down at the boat ramp, or two, if you have a cart, you can go ahead and use the cart. And I highly suggest, if you have the cart, use the cart. Obviously, as kayakers, we have the luxury of going pretty much anywhere we want and unloading, as long as we have a strip of land to do it on. But you know, if it's not a very busy day and the ramp's not being used, I don't personally see a problem with it. So let's go ahead and knock out how to properly load and unload from the boat ramp. All right, as you can see here, I got my kayak already loaded up in my truck. And what I'm going to do is, we are now going to go ahead and remove it, and we're going to take it and pretty much unload it and put it on the kayak cart. All done unloading everything, and as you can see here, kayak is fully prepped up, ready to go. And now we're going to go ahead and put it on the water. This is essentially what you want to do. You want to load up your kayak, get it all prepped up, ready to go before you even hit that ramp. Even if it's not a crazy busy day. I mean, if it's a busy day, I really do once again suggest you go ahead and find yourself some shoreline, launch over there, because you're just going to tick off all them boaters. Because at the end of the day, it is called a boat ramp, not a kayak ramp. Now, if the boat ramp is empty, not a lot of people out, by all means, use the boat ramp. But prep your stuff beforehand, so that way it's a fast transition in and out, and that way you can be on your way without ticking off a whole bunch of other boaters that may swing up as you're prepping. Oftentimes I've seen it before where a kayaker parks right there on the ramp and he spends like 10-15 minutes, you know, prepping his gear, loading stuff up, tying different lures. I mean, come on, man, don't be that guy. Do not be that guy. All right, well, let's go ahead and get on the water. And once I'm done doing some fishing, we'll go ahead and show y'all how to properly retrieve your kayak at the boat ramp. Oh, I wish I brought my regular video stuff today. Look at this big mama. Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh. Do not fall out of the boat. Oh my gosh, look at that thing. Let's get it. Oh my gosh. Look at this freaking monster. Look at this chum, baby. Oh, wintertime bass fishing at its best. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Oh, all right, mama. I'm going to let you go. Let's put you back. Let's put you back. Thanks for playing. Thanks for playing. Oh, mama. Oh, mama. All right, get on. Bye. Oh my gosh. Right at the boat ramp. I was about to call it a day, and then that freaking mama just grabbed on. Actually bent out my freaking, what do you call that? My lure. My lure ended up popping off because it bent off the ring. Can you believe that? Oh my gosh. Man, thank you, Lord. Oh, Lord, give me a fish today, baby. I love it. All right, let's show you how to get off this boat ramp. Whoa, whoa. Let's show you how to get off this boat ramp without being a jerk now. All right, so this part right here is pretty crucial. You're gonna come straight up to your boat ramp, and then from there, you're gonna go ahead, pull up your kayak as much as you need to get onto the actual ramp itself. Go get your truck, come back down, and we'll pick it up from there. Okay, so the most important thing that you got to remember, as soon as you get up to the ramp, pull your kayak up, and then from there, go get your truck. Don't worry about putting a whole bunch of things away inside your truck yet. Just put away what you need to, the bare necessity. See that? And them two are getting after it. Look at that fight. Okay, while that crazy goose fight is going on, I hope you can hear me over all that stuff. So like I was saying before, the most important thing that you can do is pull your truck up to the boat ramp and then only load the bare necessities of what you actually need. Oh my gosh, that's so distracting. Yeah, only load the bare necessities of what you need, then get your yak on the truck, then get the heck off the ramp as fast as you can. You should be able to do this in about 2 to 3 minutes. Get up off the ramp and pull away. Now you can go ahead and tie your stuff down. Hey, I hope this is a fun little video. Hey, we even caught some fish too, but I hope this helps you out a little bit better boat ramp etiquette for kayakers if you are able to use the kayak or the boat ramp. Y'all have a great one. Artillery Life, out. These two here getting after it.